cylinder head blowed out. But as we do this, we're going to put a new vacuum pump, AC compressor, and power steering pump. Because I got to pull the bracket off, and the pump's no good. Well, all three of the pumps ain't no good, actually. And then we're going to put a new fuel line on when we're there to fix our fuel leak. And maybe clean the air cleaner, it appears. Oh, and a new vacuum booster. Because it leaks like a sieve, too. So hopefully, in the near future, I'll be done with this. And I'll go through how to do it all. Well, that was a little bit, but not bad. Go get me a couple of paper towels. I'm going to plug these holes. I always like to plug these holes, keep dirt out of them. But you don't have to, because I'm going to flush this whole system and put a new dryer and orifice tube in this. So we'll flush the whole thing, put new PAG oil in it. Alright, what I got here is a K&N air cleaner, and you can tell it, well, it ain't been cleaned in quite a while. So I'm going to take this cleaner here from K&N, and we're going to squirt it down and clean it, and I'll show you what it looks like when we get done washing it out with water, and then we'll get it rolled back up. Alright, there's all that. Going in the proper way, but the job's done. Alright. So now we're going to pull the vacuum pump off. I think there's two 10mm bolts there. pull the vacuum pump on. Alright.
Oh, don't fall.
Yeah, accidents happen. Alright. There it is. I'm going to get the line off there, the vacuum line. Then we'll get that bracket off there. Well, I think I'll leave the power steering pump on it because I got to put a new pressure hose, new pump. We'll just work on all of it in the shop rather than out here in the vehicle. Oh, that's lovely. These hateful, stupid clamps. There we go. Get that little twist there. Oh, yeah. Didn't have water on myself there. There we go. Alright. And this pump isn't that old, but these things have only been lasting a few years and they go to crap.
So, Daddy, I go get this.
What I tried to do to fix it. Did not hold. Blew out right there. No good.